Doctors say breastfeeding gives babies so many benefits. Here to explore some of those is our Judy Alley. Judy.
Thanks, Nancy. According to most health experts, just like you said, it is the perfect form of food for a baby, and that's breast milk. But now a new study is shedding some light on how this perfect food transfers immunity from mother to child. For years, medical experts have known that breastfeeding provides many benefits for babies.
The importance of mother's milk is that when a baby's born, they don't have an intact, mature immune system. So they rely on mother's milk to get them past that point where their own little immune system can fight off infection.
But what medical experts have not known is how breastfeeding actually transfers these benefits to babies until now.
The study has identified at a molecular biology level the exact molecule that does what we have known forever, which is that mother's milk protects babies against disease.
Researchers from Brigham Young, Harvard, and Stanford universities recently released the findings on a new study that highlights a remarkable change that takes place in a mother's body when she begins producing breast milk. Years before a pregnancy, a woman produces antibodies against intestinal infections. These antibodies travel around the circulatory system as if it were a highway and regularly take an off-ramp to her intestine. Once a woman begins lactating, some of these same antibody-producing cells suddenly begin taking a different off-ramp that leads to the mammary glands. The new study identifies the molecule that gives these cells the green light to take a different off-ramp.
I think what this study is the tip of the iceberg for is that we're going to find out more and more and more benefits of breast milk. We know it is hands down the best thing for babies. We know it protects babies against disease. I think we're going to learn more and more specifics.
Researchers say knowing how these cells migrate will hopefully help them provide more insight into how the immune system is organized, both for the mother and the baby.
When you think health, think IRU.